Good morning, students. Today we are going to do editing. It's a part of grammar section and it is very important one. It will come for standard 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the importance of grammar or editing here you can understand from this slide. Let's eat grandma. When you read it like that, please don't eat the grandma. Rather, put a comma and save a life. How you can do that? By editing this sentence. By putting only a comma, that is a punctuation mark. Let's eat grandma and she will be very happy. So, let's come to the different mistakes which you have to find out from the editing part. As I have told you, editing refers to the mistakes or finding the errors. So it is of two types. One is find the error and write down the correct word. The second one is omission. Omission refers to the missing word. You have to find out the place where the word is missing and put a slash and write down the omitted word. So here today we will deal with the error part. So you have how you will find out the error and how you will rectify the mistake. So let's come to the different parts of the mistakes. Singular, plural, subject, verb, article, preposition, pronoun, conjunction, spelling and grammar. So first part is your singular, plural. So when you see some lines, you have to first find out whether they are written in singular or plural form. If boy is written, it means it's singular, boys will be plural. So some of the examples are given there. Let's come to the question part. I called 5 boys. 5 refers to here plural. So here it won't be boy. So in place of boy, you will write down boys. Gentlemen. Gentlemen refers to plural, but here article a is written. A refers to singular. So here it will be gentleman, M-A-N. And those girl, those refers to plural, but here girl is written, so girl is wrong. So in place of girl, what you will write down? Girls. Very good. And next last one, one, benches. One refers to singular, benches refers to plural. So here in place of benches, it will be bench only. Next come to the subject verb conquer. So in the paragraph which you have to edit, so you have to see whether the subject and the verb they are written properly or not, or they agree with each other or not. So the singular verb will agree with the subject, which will be singular, and the plural verb will have plural subject. So they should agree with each other. Boys are, boys plural, so are plural. I singular, am, she singular, has, I have, I don't, she does, we are, amigos, we go. So let's come to the question part. The dog eat or eats. Which one will be the correct? Eats. Because dog is singular, so eats, the verb will also be singular. My mom likes. My mom is singular, so the verb will also be singular, that is likes. My friends. My friends here refers to the plural of friend. Friends plural. So the verb will be plural. Watcher watches. Which one will be correct? Watch. So SES will not be used. My brother and sister. My brother and sister, they refer to two people. So here play and plays. Which one will be the correct one? Play. Very good. Because the verb is also plural. One of the cars. One of the cars refers to the what? One or cars. Here cars is written plural, but one of refers to the one only. So the part is singular, the subject is singular, so verb will also be singular. So here it will be goes. Next one is editing of the verb. The verbs are generally kept in 3 forms, that is the present tense, past tense and the future tense. So in the 3 tenses, how the verb will be? ED form, was, were, ing, had, past participle. It is the past tense of the verb. And then second one is present tense, infinitive, SES will be written, then am, is, are, ing, then have or has, past participle. Future tense will have shall or will. So let's come to the question part. Yesterday I go to Agra. Yesterday means past. So in place of go it will be went. So in the last sentence you see next week is written. So next week refers to future time. So in place of go it will be shall go. Then article, there are three articles, a and the. So a is used before consonant sound, and is used before vowel sound, and the is a uh, article which is used before definite person, place and thing, that refers to the particular thing. You can also write on the name before religious books, rivers, magazines, planets, mountain, sea, particular things. Okay. And we have read in the letter to editor, name newspaper. So in the name of the newspaper also we have written article the. Then preposition. Preposition is the word which refers to the, which tell or expresses the place of one subject to the other one. So on, over, under, below, behind, beside, in, into, out, out of, to, towards. So these are the different prepositions which are used. So there are many more. So you have to edit the preposition also. Whether the preposition is written at properly or not, you have to find it out. Editing of pronoun. Pronoun refers to the words which are used in place of noun. I, my, mine, me, myself, we, are, ours, us, you, he, she, they. So there are the different personal pronouns. So let's come to the example part. I am Sohan. This is me's school. So is it right? No, it's wrong. So what we will use in place of me, it will be my school. These books are ours. We clean our school ourselves. Self is plural or singular. Self is singular. Our refers to plural, so it will be selves. S-E-L-B-E-S. She is Sanjana, they are her friends. Girl Sanjana, so in place of his, it will be her. They do their, not theirs. Editing of conjunction. These are the conjunctions: and, but, or, so, because of, who, whom, whose, if, unless. So these are the conjunctions. So you have to find out whether the conjunctions are used correctly or not. Next comes to the spelling. Some of the words are confusing, like quite, quite, peace, peace, whole, whole, form, from, accept, accept, leave, leave, dear, dear, place, palace. So these are the different words which comes in the question, and it could be confusing. So you have to see which one is the correct one, and you have to write the suitable word. So let's come to the quick reminder of the thing. What are the points we have to remember for editing? Editing is generally done during proofreading. It can be of two types, as I have already told you: error finding or omission, or the missing word. A short text which has one error or omission in each line is given. So in each and every line there will be one mistake. You have to find out the mistake, underline the error and write the correct word if it is error finding. If it is omission, what you have to do? You have to write down the missing word. You have to put a slash where the word is missing and write the missing word there in the space provided. Numbered blanks are provided with each line for writing the correct or omitted word that I have told you now. Identify the error omission keeping in mind the PPACTS rule that we discussed right now. What is P? Preposition, pronoun, article, determiners, conjunction, tense, that the verb forms, spelling. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind and you correct the sentence. After reading the passage, identify the tense and see whether it is appropriate to the context. Sometimes the sentence or the paragraph begins with present tense, so most of the part will be present. If it is in past, so most of the part will be in the past. You have to see in the context of the that paragraph which tense will be applied. Check the subject-verb agreement that I have told you. If some singular verb is written, so the subject will also be singular. If the subject is plural, plural verb will be used. Check the areas where a word is missing in case of omission, and check the error as mentioned above or error finding. Mention the answer against the given blank number. So in each line there will be mistake, a blank will be given for you. You have to write down there. Sometimes before and after the word is written. So that also can be written. In case of omission, write the word before and the word after the omitted word along with the supplied word. So now come to one of the question. The following passage has not been edited. There is one error in each line and you have to do the answer. So our earth have been blessed with a large. So what is the incorrect word here? Have. Why have? Why have? Because our earth, it is singular. So has is will be used. Our earth have been placed with a large variety of resource. Large variety. Large variety refers to plural. So here it will be resources like water, forest or minerals. So here this conjunction is wrong. In place of or it will be and. But only human beings can discover. After models you can't use SCS. So models will be written and after that the discovers will become discover. These are the auxiliaries also. So after the modals, the verb will be in the simple present without any SES, without any ING, without any ED. Develop or convert these resources. This refers to singular, but here resources are written, so it means plural. So in place of this, it will be these into wealth. Thus, the greater resource, the is written, the degree, the grammar part. So the degree will be superlative. So here the is written, so it won't be greater, it will be greatest. Thus the greatest resource of on earth. So earth is singular, earth is particular, there is only one earth. So here it will be the earth. In place of on, it will be the. Is any country who wants to progress, who? Who is written for person. So here it will be which. Wants to progress must take care of its natural as well as human resources. It means it is a apostrophe is used. It's means it is. So here the assignments are given here. I have prepared for you. This is your homework. So what you have to do? You have to write down these things in the copy, whatever copy you have, or you can prepare one separate copy for English and you can write down these things, and in the next class we'll check whether you have written it correctly or wrong. I'll tell you the answers, I'll provide you the answers and we will check whether it is right